Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. For the electric coolant pump, we're going to demonstrate here on a 2016 Ford F-150. You have two fuse boxes, guys. We'll need to work on the fuse box that's under the hood. If you open the hood, this is the engine bay, and if we zoom in a little bit, this is your 12-volt battery. Right behind it, guys, right here, you're going to see a fuse box. That's the cover here. You open that cover for the fuse box and you'll see a fuse box that will look just like that. This is the layout here. This is towards the front of your F-150. This is towards the windshield side of your F-150. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So now another thing, guys, you can see you have different kinds of fuses, relays, that some people even haven't heard about those kinds of fuses. And if you're in a small town in the middle of nowhere, you can have a hard time finding a replacement one, or they can be even ridiculously overpriced at parts stores. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some spares, put some in the glove box for a peace of mind. We get them at that place and they're really affordable, really good price, quick shipping. We'll need to work in that fuse panel right here, and for the electric coolant pump, also known as recirculating pump, we'll come in that right row of fuses. Starting from the very bottom, we'll count the third fuse. That 10M fuse, also known as fuse number 97, is the one that you will need to check specifically. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.